Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert pie chart in Google Slides. So for example, we have here this presentation, and if you want to insert a pie chart in the first slide, we need to open it, and then we need to go to Insert tab, we need to go to Charts, and here we have something like pie, we need to open it, and then pie chart template will be successfully generated here. But of course, if we want to edit this chart, we need to click on this one icon with 3 dots, because here we can find linked chart options, and we need to click Open Source. Then we will see here this one sheet, and of course you can edit your pie chart here. For example, I can type here Adam, I can type here Mark, I can type here Martha, here maybe John, and maybe number of sales. I will type here number of sales, and for example I will change values to 10, maybe here 20, here 3, and here maybe 40. Okay, after that our chart has been successfully generated here, but if you want to display this chart on the Google Slides, we need to go back to Google Slides and click on Update button. After that, this chart will be successfully displayed here, and we can use it in our presentation. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create pie chart in Google Slides, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve your problem.